Okay, you see all that behind me? That looks interesting. It looks really interesting. I'm in Shenzhen. I'm going to give you a little 360 of what this is, and then we're going to go back in there and check out all that as well. And I'm somewhere called it's called the Window of the World. Window of the World. So we're going to grab you and check it out. So we're here in Shenzhen. Well, if you want to come with me, you're going to have to jump in this hand right here, camera. Okay, Window of the World, Shenzhen. Let's go check it out. I'm going to show you these buildings and we're going to go in there and check it all out. Just to give you a little context of what's over there. It looks like that. It's kind of European looking things, buildings. And then European style street is the name of this particular one. So it looks like we do have Europe, and then we'll see what other things they have. And then over here we have lots of other tall buildings in the background. Let's just go on in, check it all out. The Palace of Nectar City Inn. So this one actually looks like a hotel, so you can stay here for the night. Huh. And I think I could just walk around, try to take it all in. Mona Garden. Huh. That's interesting. It's like we're in Netherlands already. Everything's in Chinese, but I can kind of tell what it is anyways. Mona Garden. Oh, okay. Wow, this is kind of cool. They even have music in here as well. Look at that clock, a guitar. Wow. Huh, there's another thing that says City Inn as well. Oh, we got all photographers in here. That's kind of cool. It's kind of interesting. Huh. Kind of interesting. Looks like a lot of people have their cameras in this area, so I guess this is just a popular place to capture selfies as well. Huh, I wonder if they must do movie scenes here too. I guess it's kind of a way to capture it all. So let me just kind of walk like that. Could be a thumbnail in here, like that. Am I in Europe? Or am I in Macau? We got a fisherman's wharf. It looks like that's going to come to a dead end up there. But it looks like a very popular place for selfies. It's so funny that we got Macau so close. It's actually authentic European. But this is kind of cool. I can see why this is a big tourist attraction. We're gonna come around the corner, try to see what all is in here. I can see why this is a tourist attraction. It is kind of cool. But yeah, even for me, like I like to travel and just capture all the different stuff of different cities in Europe anyways, or in Asia or anywhere else. It's funny, some of these buildings, Guangdong also had kind of a little bit of a European influence, like Macau. So there's a little district, and I feel like some of these buildings might be kind of influenced a little bit like that. That's kind of cool, these canals. Huh. Very interesting. So it says Alps. Let's see what's over here. Get some snacks. So I don't know. I don't know how big this is. Cinderella Kids. There's another gate. It looks like, you just kind of check it all out here. I was thinking I might be the only European looking person here. People from Europe probably wouldn't come here. I might. It's kind of interesting to see interpretation of what you view. Is this it though? Like, I feel like I'm kind of experiencing these walls. I have a feeling I'm can't actually be it. So we're gonna come up to something that's called Alps, and it looks like we either keep on going up, but I don't really see all the people with the cameras. Were up at the base. I'll flip the camera around like that. See anything over there? We'll just kind of go up and take a look. Oh, okay. I thought maybe we could go up there. Looks like there's like a gate, like a European castle, but it has like barbed wire, barbed wire, barbed wire. And then this one, oh, it's like a ice skating rink. So they got an ice skating rink right here. I didn't expect an ice skating rink right here. Huh. Well, was that it for the window of the world? Did we see everything? Looks like there's some ways to go up over here too. But I don't know. I think that's basically a roller skating rink. And then that has also that little European gate as well over there. But then there's this thing over here, this little walkway. That walkway is looks like it's like a Halloween thing. Huh. I don't know. I think that's so there's a little walkway up there, so people are going from here over here, but it looks like that's some kind of Halloween. Well, we'll bring the camera on, put it on when we get over there and we find something interesting again. Okay, we're gonna do a little 360, but it looks like there's construction over there and there's a gate, so we can't get over that way, but it does look like it extends that way. This one looks like there's also a gate up there, so it looks like that is part of the property, but you must have to get up there in a different way. I don't know, maybe this is the sample one and then you pay to get to the other one. I did go to the right already, so I guess we'll see if we can go a different way. Let's see what's down this way. So it looks like we kind of have more of those gates again as well. So that might be kind of it, unless they're going around like that. Let's take a look. This is pretty cool though. Okay, so let's follow this line. Might have to buy tickets, I don't know. Looks like you might have to buy tickets. So that has a gate as well, but that's also closed. There's a bathroom here. There's a gate here. I think they're checking tickets. I think that might be about it. So did I see all of it? I don't know. Maybe. I guess the most interesting part was over there where they were filming. I kind of feel like I feel like I think there's more to it. So that's definitely an end over there. And then we did go over there and that was an end. Let's just see if they're still filming over there. That's probably the most interesting part anyways for a thumbnail. Yep, looks like they're doing a movie set over there. I shouldn't go over there with my camera though, so. Okay, so anyways, that's a taste of it. I might have either did all of it or I just did a little bit, and there's a lot of it that I'm missing. I don't know which. So, and there's also a major bus stop for the tourist routes. So it looks like they kind of, like when I first got on my bus, they kind of wanted to get me here, and then this is going to be like a focal point, and all the buses are parked out front. So that's kind of interesting in itself. Yeah, window of the world. So I don't know, there's people coming. I think like there's hotels here too, so we saw the City Inn like this one when we came in, right? So there's people with their luggage. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to see if I have the whole thing. Like that might go all the way down. Like I might have just been in a little small snippet of it, because it looks like, look, all the parking spaces all the way down here, right? So there might be a lot more inside. So let me just kind of take a look real quick. So I think that actually does go all the way down. So I think that was actually the entrance, and then you can, if you get in there, you got all that down there. So that might actually be an entire village, because look at all these tour buses, VIP. Oh, okay, there we go. It's a scenic entrance over there. So yeah, we just got a taste of it. I'm gonna probably walk over there in a minute, but I'm just gonna conclude over here. So if you want to see the whole thing, you have to go over there and check it out. But at least you got a taste of it. And I'm riding these buses around today a little bit, and this seems like a major stop. And there's also a train station right here, so you got all these bus stops here, hop on, hop off, and then you also have the Window of the World station, and it looks like you still have more over there. There's the ice skating rink that we saw, European street style. It looks like it does go down quite a bit as well, so there's a Window of the World station if somebody wanted to come here. And that's going to come over here real quick. And yeah, I think this whole thing does go down, but I want to see more of Shenzhen. I just want to get a taste of it, just kind of see where I am here a little bit. But it looks like there's an entrance over there. So if I wanted to see all of it, it's a scenic entrance. Okay. So you got a taste of it now too? Oh, these guys are crazy. And this man's standing up there, like with no, looks like they don't have any support. God dang, that's crazy. Man, okay, I hope I don't see one of them fall. It'd be horrific. Jeez. Okay, so this is where all the world stuff is at. So you got all the, so actually, I got into that a little bit over on that side, it looks like. And it looks like there's an entrance over here. And this looks like quite a bit bigger, better, different. And I think I have to get tickets. So a security check and tickets and such like that. So there's a lot of other stuff I want to see while I'm here. Looks like our lights are going to come on pretty soon. And this is a little bit of Shenzhen. Well, if you want to come with me, you're going to have to jump in this hand right here, camera. Xi'an.